This is Mr. Smith. He's managing director of a renowned bottling plant. He knows PET bottles are the way to go when it comes to packaging his products, and their success is increasing. His enterprise is benefiting from it. But he also wants to keep down manufacturing costs and consider the environment. So Mr. Smith has an idea. Is it possible to manufacture lighter bottles and saving resources in the process? And how can energy consumption be reduced by simultaneously favoring sustainable manufacturing processes? Mr. Smith has even greater plans. He wants to introduce a new soft drink with an eye-catching design. The question is, how can all these ideas be brought together? His KHS consultant knows the answer. When it comes to PET bottles, potential savings and efficient manufacturing, the Bottles and Shapes experts from KHS know best. After all, they were involved in the developing of the world's very first PET bottle. And they've been gathering valuable experience for over 40 years now. So, shortly after these initial thoughts, Mr. Smith welcomes the Bottles and Shapes experts at his manufacturing site. One thing is already for sure, the KHS experts take everything into account. In the end, it's not enough to manufacture a well-shaped bottle at low costs. The entire manufacturing process has to be aligned. Whether it's the piling on pallets, the transport, or the handling process, no detail is left out. Even when Mr. Smith is shipping his bottles into the Arctic or to equatorial regions, the bottles cannot be affected. To that end, the KHS laboratories submit them to rather extensive scrutiny. After consulting the KHS experts for Bottles and Shapes, Mr. Smith is quite sure the recommended improvements pay out. Weight reduction of 1 gram per bottle at a production output of 150 million bottles per year saves approximately €200,000 worth of PET material. Packaging costs will also be reduced. The KHS Kistas Advanced Tray Shrink Packager allows for the use of thinner film, so Mr. Smith additionally saves up to 30%. The very first step of KHS consulting services for Mr. Smith's new soft drink is designing the PET bottle. There's no weight involved. He receives his individually designed drafts in no time, and the first prototypes arrive shortly thereafter. Mr. Smith is fully satisfied with the service. Thanks to the Bottles and Shapes program, he's now manufacturing a super light bottle of customer-oriented design at reduced costs and with efficiently streamlined manufacturing processes. All this in a short time. And soon after, the new soft drink is ready to be delivered in light and yet robust bottles of great customer-friendly design. KHS. Filling and packaging worldwide.